Hi, lovely viewers. Today, let us actually get a look at this control panel for now for Model 2000. So this is the AC button. This is a recycling button. Now, this is face. This is face tools. This is tools. This is face windscreen. This is windscreen. This is speed of the fan, high or increasing. Then this one is reducing. This is auto or full, and this one is off. Now this is the temperature. I'm increasing temperature here. Now that's hot. I have to go back. Here for outside temperature, I have to push it in or out. Now, when do you use a recycling button? A recycling button actually has to be used in winter. You are not supposed to use it in summer. When you use it in summer, that means air from the engine room, it will have to enter into the cabin filter. It will be trapped here in the cabin filter. So whenever you are in summer, you have to use the recycling button. It has to power the light. When the light is off, that means you have opened the window for engine room. When the light is on, it has to be closed. Thank you.